I'm excited to partner with Degree for the Change the Field program. This program is all about making soccer more inclusive for girls and girls of color in particular. Right now we're seeing that girls of color are dropping out twice as likely as their white counterparts. So Degree partnered with FIFA to create these specific Girls Can modules that are going to cover topics about creating safe spaces for girls, my body, my voice, and the intersection of race, culture, and gender. And this is an opportunity for teachers, coaches, and mentors to learn the skills that are required to truly meet girls of color where they are. And it's a unique set of skills that is tailored to bring more diversity and inclusion into this sport. When it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusion, I think it's really important that young people feel hope. And I think some of the infrastructures in our country kind of prevent this hope for people from different socioeconomic and racial backgrounds from feeling like they can make it. And so I think this is extremely near and dear to my heart. I'm very proud to be a part of a generation of professional players that has significantly increased the diversity and representation. What we want is for that to trickle down to the grassroots programs and to young people everywhere so that girls and girls of color can play. In this country, we don't have this like free play idea, where in other countries, I think soccer is just like out on the streets. So it's really inclusive and welcoming in that way. And here we have a pay-to-play structure that creates a very clear financial barrier for people participating in the sport. And I think that causes a culture that is not welcoming to all people, and we're here today to try to change that. If you want to learn more, you can go to degreedeodorant.com.